टायर मैल फंक्शन दिखा रहा है पीछे वाले टायर का। देखना पीछे वाले टायर पे क्या हुआ है। तो हमें नया टायर या कुछ चाहिए तो कैसे किया जाए? अभी तो स्टपनी से हम होटल जा रहे हैं। Now tomorrow the roadside assistance people are like, we'll tow your car, take it to the dealership, it'll be given day after. Beautiful day. Good morning YouTube. I'm up. It's around 7:15. Plan is to do mobility for 45 minutes and then get ready for Delhi. So today we're in Delhi. Morning. क्या हाल है? आज सुबह वर्कआउट?
गुड मॉर्निंग।
मॉर्निंग।
घर जाना है इन्होंने।
वाह जी वाह, करा के जा रहे हो?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल।
अच्छी बात है। मजा आया लिफ्ट करके?
बस अगले महीने से हफ्ते में 2 दिन कर दूंगा।
ये मेरी है आपकी है?
कितने मीटर होती है
वैसे
इसकी?
आपके नहीं है
ये पापा की है। मैं कितने मीटर होती है पापा इसकी?
किसकी है ये?
मेरी है।
आपकी है?
मैं ढूंढता हूँ वहाँ मिलता हूँ।
अरे बहुत चीजें यहाँ आ जाती है।
एक रेड वाली नहीं मिलती।
हाय साथ बलिंदर।
पापा ये कितने मीटर की पग बांधता है?
इसकी होती है मैक्सिमम।
यही तो बहुत छोटी लग रही है।
नहीं
इसकी होती है मैक्सिमम।
4.25।
और आपकी?
I think it's not above 4. Bowen.
9866। एक लाइट ग्रीन एक डार्क ग्रीन। माँ देना मुझे।
So this is what I'm carrying for an overnight bag and I'm very proud of myself. All the tech stuff up there and kapde in there. I usually travel very heavy but been trying to make it lighter. Worst case scenario, खरीद लांगे कुछ भी, ब्लिंकेट कर लांगे। हाय मेरी जान, I love you so much.
और ये गाड़ी लेके वहाँ आ जा।
कौन से रास्ते से जाना है?
मोहन वाले से
नहीं मोहन से तो जाएंगे बट आगे एक्सप्रेस वे थोड़ा खुल गया है ना?
खुल गया।
फिर यहीं से ले लो, वाडिया से। Papa's so cute. I exited from the service entrance and then he's like, no, get back inside and come from the other gate. And I'm like, why? He's like, just do it. And I'm like, okay, I'll do it. So I come back out and I'm like, what's happening? And he's like, there was an empty bucket kept there. So he tells me that my dadi would not allow that. If you're leaving, there shouldn't be an empty bucket, whatever. However it is. So, and my father is the least superstitious man on earth. But when it's his child, no one wants to take chances, right? But anyway, I try to keep all of this away from my awareness. We are off to Delhi.
Multiple brands out of Italy for wardrobes, kitchen, furniture, architectural lights, decorative. So it's like a one-stop shop for your home solution.
Yeah, I'm coming from Dehradun.
Oh, okay, perfect. Okay.
Yeah, ठीक है, चलो,
Okay.
I'll see you then.
Done.
So this is something for the new apartment. Start दबा दो. I'm gonna go to Oxholm in Gurgaon. Mr. Harpreet, somebody looks like a wonderful man. I think I've met him at one of the Bhag Club runs, but I'm not sure. In any case, I'll go see what they do. It's all Italian, so I'm sure it's like obscenely expensive as well. But let's see. Let's at least get some exposure. What they do lighting, they do wardrobes, they do furniture. So pretty interesting stuff. Sunday and tomorrow they're closed, but then they're like, "Chalo, aapke liye hum khol denge." So they're very kind to do that. देखते हैं क्या होता है. I'll also show you guys क्या है. We're trying to see because this new Delhi Dehradun expressway seems shut from all over. So like, what are we even supposed to do? क्या कह रहे हैं?
ये कह रहे भैया हम तो गए थे आगे लेकिन घूम फिर के फिर ये वापस इसी रोड पे ला रहे हैं, उन्होंने बंद कर रखा आगे से। कह रहे तो फिर श्यामली वाला ही पकड़ लो आगे से।
So the whole deal is we've had to take a massive detour and that has added 1 hour to our time of travel. So मैंने लगी है भूख, so I'm gonna have oatmeal and जब पहुँचेंगे कुछ कर तो सकते नहीं, क्रिब करके कुछ होना नहीं कि अब तक हम यहाँ पहुँच जाते वहाँ पहुँच जाते. I'll have to text the Oxhome people.
Then you actually get to know कि हाँ मतलब what is the quality difference, what are the comfort difference. But only for my knowledge, these
Yeah.
apartments you're doing for मतलब your own usage purpose or some other purpose.
Alright, here we are at MG Road. So this is where the showroom is. There's like a metro station here. That's the metro station. Look at the state of the roads, man. When did we become okay with all of this? This is entirely imported.
Yes, we don't do anything at the end. It's only the.
What about this sofa? How much would this be? Like this whole setup? Just take one of these.
So just a 5-seater like this should somewhere be about 20-22 lakhs.
What have you done in the middle here? It's a jali.
Sandwich glass.
It's a sandwich glass, but what is in the middle?
It's a metal mesh.
Yeah, this paint I'm a real big fan of. And of course the costing will be different for all of this.
More or less similar. It starts from.
किटोड़नी यहाँ भी कचरा फेंका हुआ है लोगों ने.
बहुत दिन है सर. But we're the only people who've kept it open like this.
With the cushion it's damn comfy.
Yeah, without the cushion it won't because it's.
But
more
without
of a
the cushion
lounging
it's gonna be deep.
sofa. Yes, because it's a lounging sofa.
Yeah. Why aren't Indian brands able to recreate this?
Because of the material that they use, because of the research and development that they do. So to get out a product in a market, they would research on that product for almost about 8 to 10
And postures
years.
and all.
Yes, yes.
And of course the cost, like for example this is 13 lakhs, it can go up because of the fabric you
Yes.
choose and go down.
Fabric leather could go up to about 25.
Yeah.
Also.
For this 3-seater.
Yes.
So this finish and is really good. So what you recommend is we get the same on the wall
Yes.
and the same on the ceiling, you're saying?
So this cannot go on the ceiling because
And this
will look
can't
too
either.
sharp.
Oh yeah,
because
this look
will
is very
not
popular.
dark texture,
Yeah, this look is very popular. ये इंडियन पुराने घरों में भी मिलता है ये वाला. हाँ.
Something like this, like a travertine kind of a finish,
Okay.
still can if you want it to be a little glossy.
This limestone
is
thingy I'm
multi-different.
really vibing with.
So you don't have a smaller one. It's this one.
He DM'd me recently asking if he should sell his silver or not. Javni, do you have something to say to people out there? A lot of people will be watching you.
I just want to say, do whatever this guy says is the best.
He's sweet. We are stealing the young man for a coffee. Are you fond of cars?
Oh, a lot.
Yeah, which one do you like?
My personal favorite for, like, if I had to choose only one car, I would go with the Range Rover Autobiography.
Nick, but which one?
वो
यहाँ से निकल जाएगी?
उत्थों निकाल देंगे ऐसी काफी बार.
अच्छा, so we have to reverse. Okay, the Range Rover.
Range Rover Autobiography book.
Yeah. I don't think they call it the Vogue anymore.
Yeah.
But I get what you mean.
Yeah. The
Just
OG.
the Range Rover.
Yeah.
Okay, that's your favorite car. The one with the nice seating and all.
Yeah. I feel like that car can literally manage any type of train.
It can. You know, a lot of reliability issues it has.
I've heard that also.
So I know this person in Chandigarh. Her name is Sanvi, okay? And she was telling me about hers. And she's like, we just can't seem to take it out of the city. खराब हो जाती है हमेशा. Like it's let them down so bad.
Have you faced those issues with your Range?
No. Thank
Even
you.
my chachu has not faced any such issues, and he says he's had the car for like 10 years now.
Yeah. I
Like,
think
he keeps changing it every 2 years, but buys the same one again.
Which one?
The
टायर malfunction दिखा रहा है पीछे वाले टायर का. देखना पीछे वाले टायर पे क्या हुआ है.
होता है यहाँ पे होता है तब तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
ये जैसे रिवर्स करते हुए कहीं लगी है बट अब पता ही नहीं लगा था. We put this tire now. Beauty. पहली बार ये सपोर्ट यूज करन चल रहे हैं. Let's see what happens.
Welcome to Mercedes-Benz. Say or press 1 for roadside assistance. The Mercedes-Benz and Mercedes need charge.
Yeah, हमारा yeah, the tire has completely gotten destroyed.
Sorry for the problem, sir. Will definitely assist. You can confirm your name and vehicle number. I will check the details.
My name is Karan Gulati. टायर पूरा कट गया है, तो हमें नया टायर या कुछ चाहिए, तो कैसे किया जाए? अभी तो स्टपनी से हम होटल जा रहे हैं. अरे बट मैं अब फंस जाऊंगा ऐसे दिल्ली में यार. कहीं से कोई टायर मिल जाए.
वर्कशॉप की बंद है या तो कोई लोकल टायर वेंडर से देखना पड़ेगा.
परसों टायर मिल जाएगा या परसों अवेलेबल भी नहीं होगा?
तो परसों ही बता सकता हूँ, तो वर्कशॉप खुलेगा, चेक करके.
आप कौन सी डीलरशिप से बोल रहे हो?
सर मैं TNT मोटर गुड़गांव से बोल रहा हूँ.
गुड़गांव से. चलो ठीक है, फिर मैं देखता हूँ. थैंक यू सर. 60 तक चला लो स्पीड. चलो. So anyway, tomorrow's Republic Day, so can't seem to fix a tire because it's Republic Day. तो कल सारी डीलरशिप्स बंद है. एंड टायर्स कम फ्रॉम डीलरशिप्स, दे डोंट कम फ्रॉम द सर्विस और रोड साइड असिस्टेंस. दे जस्ट डू लाइक टोइंग इन ऑल. सो मेनी ई क्लासेस, देयर इज एन ई क्लास, देयर इज एन ई क्लास. आई थिंक हुआ क्या है, साइड में एक एंगल लगा होता है मेटल का, उस पर लगा है टायर एंड देन द टायर इज कम्प्लीटली गॉन. तो देखते हैं अब क्या होता है. देहरादून से वी ट्राइंग टू मेक थिंग्स हैपन, वी ट्राइंग टू मेक मूव्स. सो दिस इज ऑल गॉड्स प्लान, नो प्रॉब्लम. From Dehradun. Very lovely hotel. Can you switch on all lights? Oh man, what a long day. So much happened, but anyway, dinner was superb. Now tomorrow the roadside assistance people are like, we'll tow your car, take it to the dealership, it'll be given day after. So you have an option, either we'll give you a taxi free of cost, go to Dehradun, or you stay in a hotel. And I'm like, which hotel? तो वो बात करनी है अब कल. तो ये होगा, टायर चेंज हो जाएगा, पूरा ही चेंज होगा. I'll let you know the cost. Now the process of servicing the Mercedes has started. But yeah, that was the day. अब जा रहा हूँ workout करने. Pretty chill day. Pretty cool day. कल देखते हैं क्या करना है. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. The hotel is pretty beautiful. Food was pretty good. The restaurant was Madam Chow. I'll see you later and thanks for joining.